you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because I just received June's Magic at Your Door box. And I'm super excited to see what kind of magic just got delivered to my door. Do you want to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, this is June's Magic at Your Door. I'm super excited to see what is in the June box. I think it's really, really cute with their little theme. This is totally summer with the new sticker there, and it says, "Let the magic begin." Let's cut it open and see. I'm super excited because this month there was so many items that I put on my wish list, but you know, you only get a few of them. But there was so many good items that I could not decide like what to put on my wish list, what not to put on my wish list, what to keep on my wish list. It was just like amazing. So let's see what we got. So we have the paper right on top, and let me get some of these little, because when you first open it up, that's the presentation. So let me move some of these little squiggle things. And I do save all the packing material because I send stuff to people, or gift bags or gift boxes or anything like that. So it's always good. So I always keep it. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out the first item, which is these ears right here. These Aladdin. I think these are Aladdin. Oh my gosh, if this is Aladdin, then like I have all the ears that I want. I believe, yes, because the little magic carpet on the top. So here are some Aladdin ears, Disney ears. These are super cute. The tags off of them, but I believe all of the ear bands are $29.99. Yes. So it is there. I mean, the tag is there, but the bottom part is the perforated part has already been removed. But these are $29.99 value. And let's go ahead and, oh, let me get the tag out of the way. Okay. So now, there we go. So there are my Aladdin ears. Those are super cute. Like I said, now I think I have all of the ears that I would possibly even want. So I'm so happy to now have Aladdin to add to my collection. All right, you guys, so now moving right along, we have a lanyard, and this looks like it is Nightmare Before Christmas. And this is a Disney Parks item. It's reversible. This is valued at $12.99. So the one section, or the one side, has like that right there. And then that's the other side. So there's Nightmare Before Christmas images on one side, and then just like the ghosts, goblins, pumpkins, skulls on the other side. And the top says Nightmare Before Christmas. Then this part has the Disney Parks. You can attach your keychain here, and then this would be removable. So, and that's a long one. I do have a lot of lanyards, but I think this is a little bit longer than most of the lanyards that I have. So I actually like that. So there's item number 2. Now we have is, how cute are these? Look at these socks. Oh my gosh. Isn't that Tweedledee and Tweedledum? Those are too cute. I love it. And then these do not have a price on them, but they are lady shoe size 5 to 10, and they are a Disney Parks item. Oh, it says the socks are, because they give you like this little code, like this little chart right here, and on here it says socks $14.99. So then these should be valued at $14.99. So there's that. Then we have one more item in here, and then we have the pin because I get the gold box. So this is a Disney Showcase collection, and it says Disney Traditionals Jim Shore. Oh my gosh, and I already see what it is. I already see what it is. So let me just open the box so you can see it out of the box. Well, you can see what I saw. There you go. That's valued at $30, and it is the clock. It says Keep Watch figurine Clogsworth from Beauty and the Beast, which is super cute because I did get a Beauty and the Beast thing before, and I wanted these to kind of sit around it. So this was definitely on my wish list. So it has this little tag that was wrapped around it. And then here is the actual figurine. This kind of does move. It's on just like a little it doesn't move on its own, but it's like on like a little string. So when you move the item, it moves along with it. But there's that. That is super, super cute. So we have that item. Now let's go ahead and get into here, because that looks like the last thing in here. Okay, so there's this item that was inside the box or the bag. So let's see what's inside of here, and then I'll show you what this month's pin is. This is Disney Parks Pandora. I did have like 1 or 2 Pandora charms that I did put on there, and oh my gosh, I got one. This is, it says Minnie Mouse, but this is a Pandora charm, and it's Minnie Mouse, and I don't know, does it have Pandora on here for the pricing? I do not see pricing for this, but I know the Pandora things are quite pricey. So I'm now gonna be starting a Pandora bracelet of just Disney. So that's why I wanted to add these to my account, because I was like, you know what, if I get any of them, I can just add them to my bracelet. So this just says Minnie Mouse on both sides. I don't know, it's just a heart shape and it says Minnie Mouse. I'll drop in a better picture if I can take a better picture of it to show you, or download it from the internet if I can get a better image. But this is an actual genuine Pandora Minnie Mouse charm, which I'm super excited because now I'm gonna put it on my Disney bracelet. So thank you guys so much. Oh my goodness. See, they definitely listen to your wish list. That's why I love this company. Like, they got me different things that was on my wish list, and that is amazing. So recap really quick. We have the Aladdin ears, which are super adorable, and I am in love with those. We have, oh, the pin. Hold on. No recapping just yet. Let me show you this month's pin. And this is only for the gold member. You get the gold exclusive pin. And this one says June 2020. And it has like a little umbrella on the top. Super, super cute. Definitely summery. And I love that. I'm so glad that I have the gold, because then I can collect these pins for as long as I keep the gold membership. So I'm super glad. And it does come in the gold bag, but they snuck in my little Pandora one in there too. So now a recap. We have this pin for this month for the gold member only. I have the Aladdin ears, which are adorable. I have this right here, which is super cute. I'm gonna set it right next to my Beauty and the Beast figurine that I got from them, I believe 2 boxes back. Was it 2 boxes back, or was that the first one I started with my mystery box? I can't remember, because every month is just absolutely amazing with this company. So I have a really cool lanyard that's Nightmare Before Christmas. I have a Pandora charm, which says Minnie Mouse. I have these really, really cute Tweedledee and Tweedledum socks, which I think are adorable. And yeah. So that is everything that came in my Magic at Your Door box. Comment down below, let me know, what did you guys think of this month's box? Did you think of the items? Again, everybody's boxes are different because it goes by A, your profile, and B, your wish list. So every month they open up their wish list. You get to choose which ones you would like to put on there, and they go by that and your profile to customize your box every month, which I have loved every single item in every single box, because they definitely go off of your profile. If you do want to know a little bit more about Magic at Your Door, let me go ahead and tell you a thing or two right about now. Okay, so for Magic at Your Door, I have a link down below. You can follow that link and it'll take you directly to their site, and you can use the code MAGICSAVE10. That'll save you $10 off your first month's box of any gold, silver, bronze, magic box, and the one-time magical AF box. It just doesn't work for the smallest package, which I believe is the Disney Mystery Box, which is $49.99, and that one you cannot customize. But then for the monthly, they have the bronze, which is $74.99. They have the silver, which is $99.99. And they have this one, which is the gold, for $124.99. Then they have the one-time magical AF boxes. That's what I started with. That was $299. You can fully customize the entire box to your preference. And then they have the one-time magic box of $199, which that one you can customize as well. So again, I will have them linked down below. You can definitely follow that and check them out if you would like. But this is This is the best one in my opinion, because now I've tried 3 different Disney boxes, and by far, I've been telling you guys, this is my favorite one. Not only do they have the best profile, and they ask a lot of different questions down to not only just which movie you like, but which characters from that movie you actually like. Colors, different things you like to wear, sizes, things you want to avoid, things you would like. They ask you so many different things, and then their wish list is spot on, and they just curate these boxes with a whole lot of magic and you in mind. So I do really like that. So this is the one that I'm definitely going to be bringing now to show you guys. So thank you, Magic at Your Door, for making wonderful boxes and having a really good way to customize your profile so you guys can kind of get a better understanding of what we would like in our box. So that's awesome. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.